Hello guys, welcome back in part 6 of series SQL 50. This is part 6 guys. So today I'll be solving replace employee ID with the unique identifier, and in our previous video I'll solve these all question. Let's understand first about tables. So we have two tables, employees, and the second table is employee UNI. UNI stand for unique. So employee table have two columns, ID and name, and in employee UNI we have two columns, ID and unique ID. So let's understand the question. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user doesn't have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order. It's meant unique ID. Unique ID is this. So both tables are connected. Let's see the example first. Employee table have these IDs and their name. Employee UNI table have IDs and unique IDs. So 3 ID have Jonathan have unique ID 1, ID 11, Maid have unique ID 2, and 19 similarly 90 Winston. So Winston have ID 3, and we want all names, like from first table employee we want all the names and their unique IDs. So in this case we need to join both tables using left join. So let's start. Select, I'll write column name letters from let's copy the name of the table. As B. Left join. Let's also copy this table name. As EU, or otherwise like we can also say set as B, and this is for A. On A dot IDs is equal to B dot ID, right? From using join we have connected both table, employee and employee ID, for common IDs. So left join will do retrieve all the records of employees table and their their ID is also connected with the employee table. And for example, in this case we have only in employee UNI table we have only 3 ID, and 11, 90 and 3. So what will do with these 2 ID? In this ID we will get null value. Let me show you guys what which columns we want. Unique IDs. So unique IDs is in second table employee UNI. So we dot unique IDs, and we want unique IDs, and the second column is name. So we want name, all the name, and name is available in the first table. So a dot name. So our code is successfully, we have write the code. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe my channel Analysis with Ashish. I hope you will get help from this video.